Let's take a look at the chart for Cardano. Okay, so here's what we were looking at in my last video. We had a downtrend going down like this. We broke that downtrend going to the upside. After that, I was looking at an uptrend, maybe something like this. We actually broke this uptrend going back down. It looks like we're heading back down again. And if we delete these trend lines, you can see that we actually broke the 9 moving average on the daily time frame. So I mean, in general, what I'm thinking is we're trending down. We broke this 9 moving average right here. Until we break back above it, then I'm going to be assuming that it's going to be giving us resistance and pushing us down. The levels that I'm looking at for support are this previous support right here. This one is sitting at around maybe 1.20, and then the next one below that is this one right here, and then this one I'm looking at maybe 1.05. So we could do some horizontal lines, maybe something like this, and then we have another one, maybe something like this. Until we break, let's actually set up a trend line going to the downside. So we have resistance right here and resistance right here. Let's do a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, something like this. So until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'll be looking at these previous support levels. First one sitting at 1.20, and then the next one is sitting at around 1.05. So yeah, in general, I think we're coming down to test these support levels. If we zoom out a little bit and go back to the daily time frame, I've been looking at this area down here. We've had a bunch of support back in, what was it, like March through July. So we were bouncing on that bottom right there a bunch of times. I've been really watching this level. It actually worked out really good when we were in this area down here. So this is the area that I'm looking at around 105. It looks like we're approaching, and we did get a bounce right here, right on that first one. So yeah, I mean, in general, in this area, we got a bounce right here. So that's basically what I was looking for, and hopefully we can get another bounce on this 105, come down like that, and then start heading back up. We won't know until we get there. But the other thing I guess we could look at is we have resistance right here, and let's do another downtrend, something like this. So on the bigger time frame, until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'm going to assume that we're probably going to have problems and maybe be kind of getting volatility, something like that. I don't know, we'll wait and see. Hopefully we can hold support right here, maybe bounce like this, and then break out something like that. I don't know. In general, once we break this trend line going to the upside, I'll be targeting this previous resistance sitting around 2.32. But let's see, we still have a few more steps before we can get there. All right, let me know what you guys think about Cardano. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. It'll get you started on following along with TradingView and following along with the videos. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.